My dear Sufyan, the next rule, the next concept in our lesson is iada. Iada mean repetition. After doing work, pausing, reciting while joining the preceding text is called iada. What is the meaning? Let's take a practical example. Like, for example, if you don't have enough breath to read a verse completely within one word, within one breath, because the a verse is long, though. So in that condition we will read like ما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إلا بالحق. Is there sign of waqf? No. But still we are stopping here because of breaking the breath. So the ruling is that we can do work anywhere where our breath is to be break. Then we have to deal with the previous preceding text like وما بينهما إلا بالحق وأجل مسمى. That is called إعادة.